Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, I don't know what day it is where you are, but here it's Funky Friday. And for this session, I'm going to show you how I play an easy bass line for Get Down On It by Kool and the Gang on electric bass. The bass is tuned E, A, D, G, or standard tuning. We'll start with the intro, which also doubles for the bridge of this song, and it's going to sound like this.
What you gonna do? Do you wanna get out?
For the intro riff, we'll play open E, 2nd fret A string, 3rd fret, and then we'll go to the 5th fret for a D. And I'm going to play that D here at the 5th fret. I know I can play it open, but I like the sound of the D at the 5th fret. Once again, open E, 2nd fret, A string, 3rd fret, 5th fret for a D, open A, 2nd fret A string, back to open E, 2nd fret A string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and the 5th fret twice. So we played it this way. Next is our main riff, which is played throughout the song. It's going to sound like this. To play that riff, we'll go to open E, the 2nd fret A string twice, open A, back to open A again, 2nd fret A, back to open E, 2nd fret A string, 5th fret, and strike that 5th fret again twice. So that's we'll repeat that riff throughout the tune. And that's all we've got to learn in order to play Get Down On It by Kool and the Gang on electric bass. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. Get me out of here, Percy.